The nephron is the structural and functional unit of the kidney. Each kidney contains nearly 1 million nephrons. They filter blood continuously. A nephron is divided into two main parts. The first part is the renal corpuscle. The second part is the renal tubule. Together they perform blood filtration process. It is the starting point of the nephron. It consists of Bowman's capsule and the glomerulus. Bowman's capsule is a cup-shaped structure that surrounds the central glomerulus. The space between the glomerulus and the capsule wall is called Bowman's space. It collects the filtered fluid. The outer wall of the capsule is the parietal layer. Blood enters the glomerulus through the afferent arteriole. Blood exits through the efferent arteriole. High pressure forces small molecules out of the blood from glomerulus to Bowman capsule. The filtrate now enters the proximal convoluted tubule from Bowman capsule. This is the site of maximum reabsorption of glucose, amino acids, salts, and water. The filtrate passes into the loop of Henle from proximal convolute tubule. The descending limb allows water to leave the filtrate and absorb into the blood. The ascending limb allows salts to move out of the filtrate. After the loop of Henle, the filtrate enters the distal convoluted tubule. Here selective reabsorption and secretion take place. This process is controlled by hormones. It helps to maintain iron and pH balance in the blood. The collecting duct receives urine from many nephrons and sends it to renal pelvis. So this was the complete structure of the nephron. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more animated videos.